Let's start with our first process where we will be selling a model equipment to a customer. Start by clicking on New Opportunity. Let's assume a new customer came into our outlet and we are doing a new sale over the counter. First, we will input all the basic information. Then, under Document Details, press the plus sign. Here we will select our model equipment. For the sake of the example, let's assume we're selling an air conditioner. Once that's done, input the quantity. Let's say it's 1 unit. Okay, now we'll press the plus sign again and add Air Conditioner Installation Service under Inventory ID. We do this so that when we create a service order, the engineer will know what type of service they are required to perform for the customer. Don't forget to check the Free Service box in this case. Once that's done, we will hit Save and then we will be able to create a quote. However, since this is a direct sale, all we need to do is go to Actions and in the drop-down, select Create Service Order. This way our engineer will go to deliver this AC at the site as well as have it installed. Once it is installed, we will raise the sales order to a customer. So let's save this and then from Settings, go to Details. So the opportunity itself, a new service order has been generated and all the details from the opportunity have been carried forward to the service order. Now the service manager will schedule an appointment for the service engineer. To do that, we will click on Schedule. Now this can be done 2 ways. One is manual, which is what we'll be going over right now, and the other way is via the calendar board, where all you need to do is drag and drop the service order on a particular employee screen, and the system will automatically generate an appointment for the engineer. So right now, upon clicking Add Staff, I am logged in as Maxwell Baker, so I will be selecting him and then clicking on Save to secure the appointment. Once the appointment has been created, we can trigger an email confirmation to staff as seen in the drop-down. This one click will notify the engineer. In order to confirm, simply check under the Activities tab to see this notification. If you want to see the content of the notification, click on the appointment link and it will pop up in the email format. Okay, let's close this. So basically, once that's sent, the service engineer will see the notification and get their job done. In order to continue on with the appointment, I will be logging into my Acumatica app. Once I log in with my user ID, I will be able to see all the appointments that are assigned to me. Furthermore, at the top I can also see which company I am logged into. As I scroll down, I can see all the different modules. And if I click on my appointment list, I can see the same appointment on my mobile app as I would via email. From the app, I can start my appointment, perform the activity, as well as complete it. So let's start the appointment. Bear in mind that Acumatica provides the provision to start the travel as well. For example, if you are moving between sites or from the office to the site, you can start by tracking your travel first, complete your travel or reach the destination point, Then go on to complete the appointment, and then close it. You can also see the appointment details, and Acumatica also provides a View in Map button which allows you to navigate yourself easily to the destination via Google Maps, and such. This is an inbuilt integration with other apps. So, let's start the appointment. I am starting my travel, so I'll be traveling from the office to the site. Now, I can process this for myself, or, if there are multiple engineers assigned to the same appointment, I can click on Process All to start the travel time for all engineers. So the system has added another line for travel time. You'll be able to see it under Log Line Status. Now let's just click on Arrive and complete the travel. I will also be processing it for just myself. With the travel completed, all that's left is to look at the issue and complete the appointment. So it's completed now. This allows you to sign the report, take pictures of the equipment, attach them to the appointment, preview the report, and send the reports to the customers. Additionally, we can accept prepayment as well. Take a look at the appointment report that has been generated on the mobile app. Now that the appointment is completed, we can go back to the web browser and run the billing. Under Actions, click on Run Billing. The system will create an invoice directly from the appointment. Both service order and appointment are already linked to the invoice. So now, after reviewing everything, we can click on Release. This will notify the finance team of the fact that an invoice has been generated and they can proceed to collect the payment from the customer. This concludes our first step, where we have sold our model equipment to a customer and we have installed it. Once we sell an equipment, the system will automatically create an equipment master with all the details pre-filled for us. For example, here we can see the serial number, the model equipment, the service order, as well as the appointment number. This way, if we ever want to trace it back, we can easily see from which document it was generated. And if we want to see what the components of the equipment are, the system will automatically pull all the components from the item master. All we need to do is input the serial number of the components. If we look under the Attributes tab, we can see the picture of the equipment model. Under Source Info, we can see the invoice attached as a reference document through which the equipment master has been created. Now let's go back and close our service order. Let's also close our opportunity and mark it as won under actions since we have sold our equipment. This concludes our first process. Part 3 will be a demo of providing a service to the equipment which we have just sold.